Hey, my name's Chloe. I'm a co-founder of Repli Desk, and I'm going to show you around your customer service help desk. So Repli Desk brings in your emails, your chats, your social media comments, and helps your team respond to customer queries really, really quickly. It also integrates with Shopify, move my face, where you can see all of your Shopify data and everything like that about the customer's order, the tracking, and everything straight away on your right-hand side of your screen. So it's always there. When a customer emails, you know what they've ordered. So when an email comes in, you can see here that this lady Charlotte's asked about her hairdryer breaking. Repli Desk's AI Copilot begins typing the response for you with incredible accuracy based off your model's prompt and knowledge base. So for example, here we've got, "Hi Charlotte, thanks for reaching out. I'm sorry to hear your hairdryer has stopped working and is smelling like smoke. Could you please send us a photo of it so our team can check the model and condition? We'll get back with the next steps." And then the AI has brought in some steps here for that particular fault and for that particular model. So you would just hit send and close, and then you're taken to your next email. So instead of having to go onto Gmail, everything lives in here. This customer here, their 10% discount code didn't work, and they're just wondering if they can get a refund or if they can get it off. So the Copilot has responded here, and then we would just hit send and close. So the AI Copilot, which is the magic you're seeing right here, is the first way of responding. The second way you can respond is by using templates. So these are all pre-saved replies that you can select, and it enters in, and then the next way is the template wizard. Now that's just where you freehand type. So I'm just going to write, yes, I will refund. So you don't need to worry about spelling or anything like that, which is super handy. You hit AI Template Wizard, and then that turns that into an email. So from that quick type that I just did, I now have, "Hi Charlotte, thanks for reaching out. I understand you were unable to use 10% code with your recent purchase. I'll refund the discount code for you now," and turns it into an email. So then you would just hit send and close, and you're off to the next email. Another really cool feature is you can leave internal notes for your team. So you could be like, "Jack, can you check this out?" Boom, Jack then gets notified, and Jack's able to come in and test it out, and the customer doesn't see that. That's just an internal note. You can also tag different tickets with different things. You can also have it so they're automatic tags based on different customers' needs. And so this customer here is saying, "Hey, can I cancel my order?" So Repli, move up to this side again. Repli sees that this customer's order is fulfilled, so it says it's unable to make that change because the order's already been fulfilled, and that's based off your rules. Now, if you want to see where the AI has got this information from, that's where you can just click on the information icon, and then we see here that for cancellation requests, if the order has been fulfilled, it is not possible to make a change. So then we've told it, "Hey, these are suggested replies based on if the customer was asking to change their address, change their product, and everything like that." So again, send and close, and off to the next ticket. "Hey, can I get an update on my order? And can I also cancel my subscription?" So we then go through and we give it an update on their order with their tracking URL. And then we also go, "Hey, yep, no dramas at all. We're happy to cancel your subscription." So as you can see, those responses just happen in seconds. It is just incredibly quick. We then have our social media model. So for socials, we have a different prompt, but we can pull from the same knowledge base. And what that means is it can use the same info, but it's going to reply in a really short format for social media. So we can handle DMs and everything like that. So comments, ads, everything. You name it, we've got it. So now I want to take you quickly into the back end of Repli AI. So Repli AI is the AI Copilot. And so we have our different Copilot based on the email addresses, the email accounts versus social media. And this is where we can pull and turn on different parts of the knowledge base that you want turned on for that model. So for refunds, for example, we can have it so the days since the last order has been less than 40 days. So we're going to say, yes, you can have a refund. But if it's over 40 days, we're going to say, no, you can't have a refund. And we make all of these rules completely custom to your brand and your needs. And that's also a really big part of our onboarding. We actually do a huge amount of this build of the AI Copilot for you. Other features we have are templates that live in folders. It's really handy to organize your customer service team's folders for templates so they can still use templates and folders. We have automations where we can have different things tagged off different priority words, automatic responses based on if the order's been fulfilled or not fulfilled. And then we also have a really nice chat widget where customers can contact us on our social accounts. They can chat with us, they can leave a DM, they can track their order, and then they've got nice help articles there, easy to go. And you can customize absolutely everything in that to make it sound incredibly on brand and on your colors and all the rest. So that's just a really brief intro into Reply Desk, and we hope to help you guys out with your customer service.